Привет! Want to learn Russian? A good place to start is the alphabet. In this present form, Russian alphabet has existed for only a little over a century. The ancient writing of Russian people, they were called Slavs back then, looked like this. This is the earliest known Slavic writing system called черты и резы, and it was used mainly to communicate short messages. When Slavic tribes started to grow and become principalities, the writing system needed to advance as well. Glagolitsa is considered the oldest and the first official Slavic alphabet. Its existence can be dated back to the 4th century. The creator of Glagolitsa is not known for certain, but what's interesting is that Glagolitsa's characters are not Greek-based, unlike the Cyrillic alphabet, and correspond very well with Slavic speech. Some scholars think that along with Glagolitsa, Slavs also used Greek letters and characters, but it was not systematic. When Rus, that is Russia's old name, was in the process of being converted to Christianity, and the Bible needed to be translated into Slavic language in a relatively short period of time, Glagolitsa proved to be hard to do fast writing with because it was a bit complicated. That is the main reason why it was eventually replaced with Kirillitsa in about 863 AD. Visually, Kirillitsa looked Greek as it borrowed Greek characters. However, phonetically, it was Slavic. It is the same as if I would write the Russian word kniga, a book, with Latin letters. Looks English, but sounds Russian. The conventional history suggests that Kirill and his brother Methody, Byzantine monks, were responsible for the transition from Glagolitsa to Kirillitsa. And that is why the writing system itself is called Kirillitsa, after the name of one of the brothers. Centuries passed, and in 1710, Tsar and Emperor Peter I, Pyotr I, reformed Kirillitsa. He eliminated quite a few letters, and for the ones that were left, he established capital and lowercase forms. Also, the angular, Greek-like appearance was replaced with a more rounded look. Russian scientist, polymath, and writer Mikhail Lomonosov conducted the second reform, also in 1700s. This reform was mainly literary. Lomonosov was the author of Russian Scientific Grammar book, where he described the richness and boundless possibilities of Russian language. The third and last reform happened in 1917-1918, and it also eliminated and replaced letters. Some spelling corrections were made as well. Presently, there are 33 letters in the Russian alphabet, including 10 vowels, 21 consonants, and 2 signs that have no sound. Knowing Russian alphabet automatically equals to being able to read Russian without even understanding the meaning of words. This is because Russian reading is phonetic. I recorded 33 short videos, one for each letter of Russian alphabet. This way, you can pick a letter or a group of letters to work on and study. In each video, I cover the name of a letter and a few words that start with it, so you can hear how the sound is used in words and how it blends with other sounds. Also, you can download this page with Russian alphabet and use it as an aid in your studies. For example, you can keep track of the letters you've learned, or quiz yourself, or use it as a reminder poster. I will put the link in the description box below. Have fun, and let me know if you have any questions. Пока!